some trigonometric identities. So the reason I'm saying there's some, because there's a lot of trigonometric identities. There's like I have learned like 50, but I'm sure there are many more. But right now we'll only learn 3. For this is a basic class. I'll teach you the rest in other classes which are coming up. So there are mainly 3 identities that you should know. Sine square theta, where theta is some angle. Theta can be any angle. Cos square theta is equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So these are the main 3 identities that you have to study. Sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square. We can verify these identities. I'll give you an angle which we have learned in the previous. If we take theta was equal to 30 degree. If theta was 30 degree, sine 30 would mean 1 by 2 for those who have memorized the table. So what would be sine square 30? There will be 1 by 4. 1 by 2 square, whole square. So 1 by 4. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So cos square 30 would be root 3 by 2 whole square, which will be 3 by 4. On adding these two, sine square 30 plus cos square 30 equal to 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, which will equal to 1. 4 by 4, which is 1. So we have hence proved the identity. This is valid for any angle. I have taken 30 here. You can do it for 60, 45, or the other non-specific angles like 47, 54, or any angle. This is valid. We can prove these two. I'll just do that now. If theta is 30 itself, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So tan square 30 would be 1 by 3. 1 by root 3 whole square. So 1 plus tan square theta, with in this case 30, is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3. And as we know, this is 4 by 3, this is the LHS. We'll take this as LHS. And we know sec 30 is 2 by root 3. And sec square 30 is 4 by 3, which is the RHS. These do indeed line up, so they are equal. Hence, this identity is proven. We can do the same. You can do the same for cot too, if you like. Some questions to revise what we have learned so far. I'm pretty sure it will be not too hard. First question, I'll read the question. Consider triangle ACB, right angled at C, in which AB is equal to 29 units, BC is equal to 21 units, and angle ABC is equal to theta. Determine the values of number 1, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now we know this is identity, so it has to be 1, but we can prove we have to actually prove this. We cannot use the identities here. So we have given a triangle ACB. Let's draw the triangle. Right angle at C, ACB. And we know AB is 29 units. AB is 29 units, so that makes it the hypotenuse. BC is 21 units. BC is 21 units. And angle ABC is theta. That is theta. So let's write sin theta first. Sin theta would mean opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite in this case for theta is AC. So AC divided by hypotenuse AB. The hypotenuse is AB here. So that would mean AC by AB. We know the value of AB, so I'm just going to write that AC by 29. Okay. Cos theta would equal to or adjacent by hypotenuse. So BC by AB. So BC by AB. We know the value of both of these sides. BC is 21, AB is 29. Okay. So in order to add these, we have to find the value of AC. We can find the value of AC using Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC would equal to root of AB square minus BC square, right? So root of 29 square minus 21 square, it would mean 400, root 400, which would equal to 20. So AC would be 20 units. So we can write that here, and applying this here, we can get 20 by 29. Okay. So what are we have been told to add these two, because we need to find sin square theta plus cos square theta for the first sub question, which is equal to sin square theta would equal to 400 by 841, because 20 by 29 whole square is 400 by 841, plus cos square theta 21 whole square 441 divided by 841, which would equal to 841 by 841. Cancel both out, we get 1, just like the identity said, but we have proved it. Second sub question, cos square theta minus sin square theta. This will be an identity you will be learning in the next class. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta, but we'll learn that in another time. Right now we'll just find the values. Cos square theta we know 21 by 29 whole square 441 by 841, minus sin square theta is 400 by 841, which is equal to 41 by 841, right? So the answer to this would be 41 by 841. Okay.